Get yourself a copy of the free GDoc Creator. It lets you create, print, and view your Microsoft Office docs to PDF or XPS. Download a copy right now at butterscotch.com/gdoc. That's butterscotch.com/gdoc.
Welcome back to our special Butterscotch.com 10-part series on desktop tax preparation with TaxACT. In this segment, we've moved on to the Life Events tab. This is where you will indicate things like if you've gotten married, had a baby, sold your home, moved, and other life events that impact your tax status. So you can click here on Life Events. You see it's broken down. If you click on Family, you can indicate changes in marital status, in children and dependents, in health, higher education. Once again, you can move backwards and forwards using the blue arrows or by clicking on links that are above. Home and auto, you bought a home, sold a home, home equity loans, purchased a vehicle, and so on. So you want to move through here, selecting the topics that are applicable to you and move on. And you arrive at the Federal Q&A tab. Keep in mind that this is a multiple part series and be sure to watch all of the parts.